What's up everyone, and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing very well as always. And yes, we're going to update Bitcoin. We have been able to plan this very nice bottom here in the last update. Not the exact same wave, but the target for the longs was the exact same ones. If you go here on Twitter, for example, this was the first long target we were planning in the last update and the second long target here. And as I promised, the title was Discover the Trade Setup on Bitcoin that everyone is talking about with Elliott Waves. So yeah, I mean, pretty cool. Went into our target and we got the bounce here that was now the bottom. That's pretty cool. The only thing you have to do here, you had to do on that low, was just to read the order flow. Okay, you come into the target, you just see what data we are getting into the target, and from here you're able to make a decision. Okay, an informed trading decision. Do you have good data? Yes. Do you have bad data? Yes. Okay, if there are bad data, we just do not take the trade. If we have good data, okay, we take the trade. That's it, really. Okay, you hit the target, read the data. Where is the data? As always, you can get everything, more information about us, and you can just learn how to read an order flow like this just by going on the mooncharts.fr website. You have all the informations in the description. And by the way, if you join us as VIP at the moment, you have 3 XOCharts months for free. So this is the software I'm using, you know, where so I'm testing a strategy right now. And for example, I just took that this very cool short trade at the moment. Where is this right here? So I mean, yeah, this is just pretty crazy right now. I'm just testing a strategy at the moment, and that was the rise. Okay, this was of course a limit placed before the move happened, so it was already placed when we got this rise here. Okay, so we finally got the rise, went into here, we got another push to the upside here, stop loss not taken, get the move down, book some profit, and boom, you have a winning trade. So that's pretty cool. I'm testing a strategy right now that has 78% winning rate. That's pretty nice, to be honest with you, just by using XOCharts and spotting some few data. This is the only thing you have to do. Then you just have to play some limits, and that's it, really. Okay, so it's pretty cool, not gonna lie. So yeah, anyway, so you just have to read this data here. Okay, and you can make an informed trading decision. Okay, and so if you want to get 3 XOCharts month for free, you just have to join us as VIP. Just go to the mooncharts.fr website, sign up as VIP, and you will get 3 XOCharts month for free. Okay, you can get also a tier like this, a DOM right here. You can get also all the daily levels and the weekly and the month level. We have to update, so to speak, every Monday or every first of the month. For example, these are the levels you have to update daily, every day. Bam, you check out the naked session path control, the TPOs, and the daily naked path control, and bam, you know what levels you have to on the chart and where you can look for trades next. Okay, but anyway, so yeah, this is the main order flow I'm using, really, right here on the left, and the DOM right here to see the limits. Okay, but anyway, let's just pull this right here and let's just come back on the chart. So yeah, after we have planned this very cool long trade here in the last update, okay, now we're going to see what we can expect next, really. Okay, so first of all, here to the upside, I'm just gonna add the waves here, what we can look for here. Okay, first target recognized, so in your daily update that was this 1618, but as always it gives a truncated wave 5 because the wave 5 stopped before the wave 3 top. And by the way, for people that are not watching the daily updates, because I'm live every Tuesday and Thursday at 10 AM UTC +2 to just update Bitcoin, to show you the wave, to show you everything, really, to give you some trade setup, everything. And so on Thursday, and normally we updated this and we saw that was more likely this, if I'm not mistaken, maybe it was, yeah, normally it was on Thursday, to be honest. So I was looking maybe for that way, mainly for that wave 5 here. And so we planned this first target for the short, okay, second target for a short right now, and the third one extra to the upside. Okay, so we're going to plan all the stuff to the upside here. I'm not going to talk really about the small wave here. I have the count, I have 2 counts on the push to the upside here. I'm just gonna stay with the VIPs for the small wave for the moment. Okay, but yeah, so we went into a really long target, got a bounce, so now we just have to add the wave 5 target. So first wave 5 target, as I was saying here before, was the 1618. Okay, as always, it give a truncated wave 5, so to speak, a wave 5 stop before the wave 3 top here. Okay, and so as always, this is less probable. So we do not really think about this target now. As always, it can be truncated, it's just very rare, but we've got no real reason to short here. Okay, saying yesterday, we got no real reason to short down. As I say to my team, this was not really bearish on that top. I still feared some short here because I was testing a strategy. I feared 4 trades for the moment with this strategy, and I've got 4 winning trades. That's pretty perfect. Right, it's a 100% win rate, but from the beginning of this range, it's a 78% win rate. That's pretty cool, to be honest. But anyway, so yeah, first target here, we cannot remove that one. Okay, now we are on the maximum wave 5 target, so to speak. Here, if we just get acceptance above, okay, so the blue fib here, if we just get acceptance really above this, it's called an extension. And so what we'll have to look for simply, so the smaller wave target, but I'm going to keep this for VIPs for the moment. Okay, so the smaller wave target or the bigger wave target, so to speak. Here you just have to add the impulsive here, the purple, what the fuck, the pink waves here, wave 3 targets. And so to do so, you just have to place your extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 2 bottom. From here you add the 618, 1-to-1 extension, 1618, 200% here, so 1-to-1 extension, 1618, 200%, 261 point, 361 point, and 423.6. okay. And so if you have to get acceptance above right here, the maximum light blue wave 5 target here, we're going to look for the wave 3, the bigger pink wave 3 target, so to speak. Here, if normally we get acceptance above here, okay, as always, the 261 point is never well touched that way. For example, here, that top was a short to take in any case, to bet on, okay, the top is in, and now we look for the wave 3. Anyway, the way through right here, I'm just gonna remove that trade here, that long trade. We don't really care anymore right now. Just gonna remove that. As you can see, by the way, we've got a bounce of the MC fib. This is a fib we have created here at MOONCHARTS. I have created here at MOONCHARTS. I'm running also some statistics on the fibs. And for example, here you can see if you was looking only at the basic Elliott Wave rules, if we can say that, normally you look for a long on the 23.6 and on the 38.2. No, here we created some other fibs here because we have some, running some statistics. We have some good statistics, and these two fibs was guts and are getting some good statistics. That's why we created these two fibs here. There are the 31, 32, the MC fib. Okay, and so for example, here we got a bounce of the MC fib. That was, if you remember good here, the first target plan. You have the MC fib here, first long target here, then you have the 38.2 here, second long target, first long target, bam, get a bounce, and that was a bomb. That's pretty cool, to be honest with you. So pretty nice. Now we can just remove this. Okay. So yeah, if the wave 3 top is in, what we'll have to do right now, okay, what we'll have to do, bam, bam, bam. And by the way, this trade was planned, by the way, in the yesterday update, by the way. So on Thursday, the public daily update, we'll have planned this, so I'm gonna, by the way, remove this 1-to-1 and 1618 stuff there. You know, it was a 161 of the wave 5 first target and the 261 point second target here. So we planned already yesterday live the targets, so that's pretty cool. So now if we have to retrace from here, okay, just gonna go a bit of a bigger time frame so I can place the Fibonacci tools a bit better, a bit easier here. You have to place your retracement tool from the top right here to the wave 2 bottom, okay, and you just have to add the wave 4 target, so to speak, here, 23.16, MC fib, 31.32, and 38.2 here. We can also add the 50%. Sometimes in rare case we're going to go there, but normally, as we have done a regular retracement here on the wave 2, we should make a regular retracement on the wave 4, and to speak, stop normally on the 38.2. Now we have still more chance to stop here. Okay, it's like a bit less probable, and more probable. Okay, so a bit less probable, a bit more probable, and even more probable, and a lot less probable, for example, to talk about probabilities here. Okay, but the MC fib, for example, here, normally we should do a the most probable was to do a 38.2 here. We still got a bounce of the MC fib. Okay, that's why here this is really all the buy zone we have next. If we have to retrace from here, if for example now we make just one new high, okay, we just make one new high here, we make that wave 3 a bit later. What we'll have to do here, just gonna pull this a bit more on the right so we can see what everything means. Bam, we just have to take the third click here, the first click here, sorry, and place it on the top we're going to make, and bam, this is gonna hire a bit the targets. Okay, oops, not this right here. Okay, simple as that, really. Now if we push a lot higher, okay, what targets we can plan here to the upside? Simply, so first of all, we have this red square. Okay, there is a nice take profit for the long, for example. I feel it here, and we also feel, if you remember good, the long from the very, very low to the very low here to the very low here too. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. We have been able to long every single bomb here. But anyway, so this is the first target. The second target here to the upside is the 261 point here. Then we'll have the 361.8 right here, and then we'll have the 423.6. If we have to push higher, then the only thing I have to do is to pull the bigger 1, 2, 3 extension tool, or to find the smaller waves. Okay, so bigger extension tool, the bigger targets of the 1, 2, 3, the red waves. Otherwise, you just look at the smaller wave. For example, if we do this, you have to look at the smaller wave inside here and to add the target of the smaller wave. This is the only thing you have to do. As always, as I said earlier, if you want to get more of us, if you want to learn how to do this, you don't have to go in the course, you don't have to make an account with a member grab, so it's free. You just have to go into Elliott Wave free course, and you have everything for free just waiting for you on the website. Elliott Wave, basic Elliott Wave here, so really the basic of Elliott Wave, how it works, what you have to understand about it. Next, you go into Fibonacci relation. So for example, what I'm doing right now, and everything is for free, just waiting for you. You just have to know, you will just know how to place the extension tool, what fibs to use, all of this, how to place the retracement tool, what person you have to use, everything, how to place for the wave 2, what is the most probable for the wave 2, what is the most probable for the wave 4. You're going to get all these informations just right on the website, and everything is just waiting for you. I cannot click here because I'm a VIP on the website, so I cannot access to the free course. But if you can, for example, in the course here, Elliott Wave, you have the exact same style. You just have next some bigger content, I mean some more content. You have some quiz and you have some more course here on all the plans. Okay, but again, here for free you have even the ABC flat and ABC zigzag. I mean, it's absolutely crazy, to be honest with you. For example, that's an ABC zigzag. Okay, you have also here an ABC flat, so you know all the information you have to know about these plans, but just waiting for you for free on the website. But anyway, so yeah, if we retrace from here, so that is a target. I mean, you know, that's not true, because it's not if we retrace from here, it's if we retrace from here. Oops, right here. If we retrace from here, bam, that is a target for the long. Okay, now if we just keep pushing high from here, what we plan here, just all the targets above. So now if we get acceptance above, it's not because we get acceptance above here that we have to look for the next target. As always, the 261 point here and the 20% are most of the time never well to chase. That's why you can absolutely spend some time a bit above and then retrace from here. That's why it's extremely important to read the order flow. Read what's happening behind the market. If you do this and you understand what's happening behind the market, you're going to be able to make some really good and informed trading decision. You're going to be able to make some nice profit, such as right here. This kind of longs, you know, that is the very low, the weak low of the bomb, the weak of Bitcoin, really. Okay, there is also another long trade. I mean, you're going to be able to make this kind of very good decisions. Okay, you have to read what's happening behind the market. Do you have good data? Yes. Okay, we take the trade. Do you have bad data? Okay, no, we do not take the trade. So to speak, do you have some trap shorts? For example, you have 5 million of new shorts here coming. You have an incredible open interest with a negative delta. It means that we have new market orders coming in. Okay, so we have a lot of people shorting on that low here. Okay, do we have any stacked imbalances? Do we have any, I don't know, what is the volume in the call? What is the delta? Do we have an incremental open interest? Do we have absorption? Do we have a decremental open interest? Where are the limits, for example, if you try to DOM? Do we have an MC reaction? That is also something you can get on the website here. If you go in the course exo charts right here, you have all the informations. You have everything clear how I am trading today, really. So for example, long and short trade data. What do you want to see for a long? What do you want to see for a short? That is called the MC interaction. Again, it's branded because it's avoid, you know, to say like, okay, we need this to take the long. No, we just need the MC interaction. That's it, and it's clear, and you know what we'll have to get. Okay, it's not to say, hey, I created this, I don't care, just to make it a lot more easier to understand. Okay. But anyway, I mean, I created this, yeah. I mean, I think no one was thinking about this before me, I think, before here, but I don't know. I don't know. This is just years of experience where you have in the course, but anyway. So yeah, I think that's it, really. Not gonna lie, I think that we're good. So yeah, as always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe, to turn notifications. Really, thank you so much if you do it. This is just a big reward of my work. Really, if you're making money with us, if you're enjoying the plans, if you're just crushing the chart, really, thanks to our TAs and to my TAs, really, they're just so cool, really. That's just so nice, really. This is a goal, really, you know, like you just follow the plan, you enjoy the plan, you make money, and you trade these plans, really. Okay, of course, there are no financial advice, you do your own decisions. There is really no financial advice. This is just for educational purpose only. And yeah, I mean, for example, to see this kind of tweet is just a very big reward. By the way, my birthday is very soon, so that's a big gift, for example, for my birthday. I will never follow anyone else TAs except for MOONCHARTS. If you give mixed signals, I will block you. This is absolutely crazy, right? This is just so nice to see. So if you want to follow us on Twitter, so by the way, you can go on Twitter here. It's MOONCHARTS_. And yeah, I mean, what can I say? Nothing else really. If you want to get 3 exo charts a month for free, so let's pick this software here for free for 3 months. You don't have to join us as VIP. I'm going to send you a code, a link, and you don't have to enter the code with the link. I mean, where you have to pass the code and everything, and you're gonna get 3 exo charts a month for free, really. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, I wish you a brilliant day. By the way, before to end, I completely forgot to say that before, but I won't be. I'm not going to make any updates between the 20th of April and the 3rd of May. I will be on vacation, so I'm just going to update the VIPs on the Discord server, so to speak. I'm just going to update the waves here in the BTC wave plan. You have everything here. For example, they have the lower time frame right now, what we can look for, really. They have everything there. They have the bigger time frame, the medium time frame, the lower time frame. I'm just going to update this the waves here, because for example, normally every day, okay, so except the weekend, I'm doing a daily update. So now I'm doing the daily update Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for VIPs, and Tuesday and Thursday for everyone, really. Okay, on the YouTube channel. So by the way, if you don't want to miss this, turn on notifications. You're gonna get some good stuff. Anyway, so yeah, for example, VIPs here are not going to get daily updates. long version and short version. You're also not going to get daily updates. No Sunday update also, because every Sunday I'm live with VIPs to plan the next week. Okay. No daily plan summary, because in addition to all of this, there is a daily plan summary. So if you don't get time to watch the updates, you have a daily plan summary. Okay, so you have the new levels, the short, where we can look for a short, where we can look for a long, and my comments, plus the waves updated. Okay, and so yeah, I'm not going to do all of this for 10 days, because I'm going to take a bit of a break, take some vacations, and I will be posting everything in the BTC wave plan right here, so to speak, in the BTC wave plan here channel, so you can get all the waves. And yeah, so I'm just gonna come back on the YouTube channel around the 3rd, 4th. It depends really because I come back at night normally, so normally yeah, I will be a bit tired, I think. I'm gonna make some updates maybe to the next day, or maybe 2 days later. I will see really. But anyway, I just want you to be aware of, if you don't see any updates for 10 days, it's normal. I'm just on vacation, no worries. And anyway, if you want to get some updates and everything, if you want to go join the cool Discord server, you can absolutely also join the MOONCHARTS Discord server. You have the link right below in the description. And yeah, anyway, I wish you a brilliant day. Take care of you. Catch you all Tuesday next week to, yeah, just for the daily update live stream at 10 AM GMT, UTC plus 2 by the way. And yeah, have a brilliant day, have a nice weekend, take a bit of a break, rest well really, because yeah, it's important, you know, to take a bit of a break from the chart. It's very, very, very important, you know, to come back stronger next on Monday. So just, you're just refreshed, and you're just, yeah, just not tired anymore, you know, just crush it, and you have, yeah, just to come back stronger, you know. It's very good to take some break, even during the day, you know, if you're just 8 hours in front of the chart, really take a bit of a break, just 30 minutes, you know, is fine. It's really, really good. And you come back and bam, it's better in my opinion. You can make some better trades, such as for example the short here. I mean, it's absolutely crazy. I mean, the thing is, you have to play some limits and you get paid really. That is absolutely crazy, right? You just play some limits, it get hit, so you don't pay, you almost not pay fees when you open a limit, because you preset an order. And if you market order, for example, you're going to pay some really expensive fee. I mean, really expensive. You're going to pay some fees. If you set a limit, you're almost not going to pay fees, and sometimes you're even going to get paid. I mean, it's absolutely crazy. So you're using limits and you're making some crazy huge gains really, because that was very cool. Did some nice gain with this. Anyway, yeah. So that's all from me for today. Really hope you enjoyed. Take a bit of a break. That's important. Have a nice weekend, and catch you all. So maybe next weekend, the very beginning, otherwise Tuesday for the daily update. Anyway, take care. Have a nice day, and see you in the next one. Cheers.